Welcome to the boat trip to the Big O. Yep, Lake Okeechobee! Thanks for joining us for our river trip. Yep, we're going down the St. Lucie River. It's about a 3-hour tour to the Lake Okeechobee. Thanks for joining. Hope you enjoy this. I'm Doomsday Dan, the prepper man, fisherman, bass hunter. Cook on, I can cook, clean, lean and mean, potato shooting machine. Doomsday Dan Productions. Hey guys, enjoying the ride with Captain Doomsday Dan? Went under this cool bridge. Just past those old boats. Those old ships, maybe tugboats. Alright, let's get on with the show. Railroad track. That's right. It opens up so the boats can go by. Then it goes and lines back up for the train. I don't think so. Yep. The train. That's right. It's a pivoting railroad track. Spins. What's up, Tucker? What are you smelling? Any bass? We're looking for bass. Where's the bass? 'Cause I'm the bass hunter. We're always looking for bass. That's right. It's me, Doomsday Dan. Captain Doomsday Dan to you, YouTubers. Thanks for watching. And I took over the boat. Took her from Captain Tony. He wasn't happy, but oh well. Yeah, Dan, just be careful with the skiff boat, alright? Been a while since you've been out. Dan, I'm glad you're finally getting to use the boat. Enjoy it, have fun. Even got the boys. Cruising down the St. Lucie River. On our way to Lake Okeechobee. That's right, Lake Okeechobee. Do some bass fishing. See y'all out there. Enjoy the scenery on the way.
the skiff boat. Cruising.
This guy gotta watch out. We're gonna have one hell of a wait. Slow down that throttle.
There they go. They're hauling ass. Here we go. Up, down, all around. And they're hauling ass. Hauling ass. Here we go. Hold on to your dogs. Tucker. So he's scared shitless.
Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to look when the train track is up. So the big boats can go under it.
Got the locks coming up.
Not those locks!
Yep, number 13, the locks. We're gonna end up going through it. Let's do this. We gotta go in there. Looks like it's blinking red.
There's a yellow and we got the green light for go. Yeah, let's pull the skiff over here to the right. We gotta tie up on these ropes they got for everyone. Man, they are nasty. Stuff all over them, little bugs growing on them. It's pretty nasty. Water's disgusting.
Tucker's like, what's going on? We're going in the locks. It's gonna raise us up to the level of the water on the other side, over there. Open sesame. There you go. Be at the lake. There's nothing. 2 gallons, big deal. Of gas. On an all-day trip. Beautiful day out here. Yeah. The locks. Now we're in the lake. Lake Okeechobee. Lake Okeechobee. There's an island out there. Hey, 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 all right. We made the Lake Okeechobee. That's right. And it didn't even take that long to get here. Now, we didn't really come out here to fish. We just came on a little boat trip. Because I wanted to just cruise in the boat. I never get to use the boat. Captain Tony's always in the boat.
Fishing adventure.
Yeah, dude, I hope you have fun out there. Be safe. But you don't have the vest, because I got it. Because it's later in the day, I'm going to use the lure that has the spoon in front, so it dives down. So it's a diving lure. Spooned bill lure. We'll go with that. How about that? I want to thank all you guys for watching, by the way. I really appreciate it. Helping me and Captain Tony progress our Doomsday Dan Productions channel. It's a variety channel. Something for everybody. That's right. Not just fishing. Not just prepping. Not just cooking. Cook on, people. Prep on, people. And don't forget to fish on, people, and become a fan of Doomsday Dan Productions. That's right. Fish on, people. Now let's see if we can catch something. This is what I call my cowboy lasso cast. And that'd be awesome if I can get a fish on for you right here. Big old bass. Would be awesome. Going with the cigar top lure popper. That's what it is. Come on, bass. I know you're hungry. Fishy, fishy in the brook. Come and bite my little hook. Fishy, fishy in the sea. Why'd you do this to me? Come on, I'm the bass hunter. Not coming to this lake and not catching a bass. I know it sucks the time of day. It's 11:30. The weed's on. Oh, got it. Ah, fuck. Shit. Damn. Fuck. Damn it. Shit. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. Ah. Shit. Fuck. Ah. Damn it. Shit. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. Hey, y'all YouTubers. Thanks for coming by and watching us. Hope you enjoyed the boat trip to the Lake Okeechobee. Sorry I didn't catch nothing for you. That shit happens. You just never know. Plus, it's the time of day. By the time I got to the lake, it was 11:30. So now it's 1 o'clock, 1:30. Forget about it. Don't forget to go watch Fish on the Bass Hunter. All the videos. Look at the playlist. Don't forget about Fish on Saltwater Adventures. All the videos. Look on the playlist. Tons of episodes of fishing fun for you. So go do it. Time to drive the boat home. At first when I glanced at it, I thought it was rain. It's a dang burn fire. Holy smokes. Look at that. It's all the way on top of us. Wow. Fire in the hole!
Well, we're doing a giveaway. That's right. We're doing a giveaway on Doomsday Dan Productions. All you gotta do is leave a comment on one of the videos. Hashtag Dan's favorite food. Doomsday Dan's favorite food, hashtag, and the answer. That's all you gotta do. Doomsday Dan's favorite food, then the answer. And we'll send you one of these cool buffs. Keep the dirt out of your face and the sun from burning your face.
All right, everybody. Adios. Thanks for watching.
Oh, yeah.
Glad y'all enjoyed this video. Doomsday Dan, glad you had a great boat trip to the Lake O. Fish, fish, fish on, fish, fish, fish on, fish, fish, fish on. Fish on, fish, fish, 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 fish on.
Watch my fish on, bass on. Captain Tony Show, fish on, saltwater
Fish on saltwater fishing adventures.
fish on, people.